lagayan ng suot. We're going to shop! Guys, it's 5:21 ng hapon. Gagala kami guys. Ngayon lang kami labas. Sobrang init talaga dito sa Japan. Nagantay kami ng train. See you sa shopping center. Yeah, our food for today, guys. I want water only.